As you can see, I've printed out a Bb9, and it came out pretty well. I did not glue him together the way that he was supposed to be glued in the specific pattern that he was meant to have on purpose, but I'll make another version that might be printed that way. Alright, so basically what you have is the connector, and I put it on because I wanted to see this kind of pattern here. I thought it was pretty cool, but you're supposed to have it with this kind of setup so that you can put more connectors on each side. So you're supposed to have 6 of those connectors on there. Anyway, hope you like this video, and I will make more projects of this kind.